Okay, all right. So write this down. Unit 2, day 14, November 19th. That should be a Tuesday. All right. So write this down first. Okay, and we're back. So what we're doing today is we're gonna spend actually the rest of this week on unit rates, comparing unit rates. Okay, it's important for you to know it because when I come back, I don't want to spend too much time on it. All right, and I think sometimes it's hard for you guys to have all the time to see every video, possibly, because you guys don't start on time. So, okay, all right. So, yesterday, quick review. Yesterday we were talking about this. This is the problem, right? This is the issue. So, if you were to go to a grocery store, and there are two things going on. One is you can buy 3 lemons for $2.67, or 6 lemons for $3.99. Which is better? The better deal. Better deal meaning which one costs you less for more, right? I mean, that's everyone when they go shopping, right? How can I get as much as I can for as little money as possible? And based on our conclusion, it was this one, right? It was the second deal. So, okay, so now I'm showing you a different way of looking at unit rate. Okay, it's not that different actually, but it's a second way. It's a second way of answering the question. Which is the better buy, right? So now, yesterday we did the math already, so I should have just copied this, but it's all right. Very quickly, right? If it's doing per lemon, that means lemons at the bottom, right? So what's at the top? Dollars, right? Which is what we did yesterday. So if we do the two things over again, right, with dollars per lemon, right? Because this is per lemon. So dollars is 267 over 3 lemons. How much for 1 lemon, right? That's this one right here. All right, and then on the other hand, right, for the other side, we could look at it as having $3.99 for 6 lemons. How much for 1 lemon? Hold on, let me get my cap. Let me get my calculator real quick. Hold on. So yesterday, we figure can I actually just see? No, I'll just do it. All right, 2.67 divided by 3, that's 89 cents. So this turns out to be 89 cents per lemon. And this other one is $3.99 divided by 6. That's, what was it? Oh, 67 cents. Per lemon, right? Turns out that this is cheaper, right? Now, there's a second way you can look at this. All right, if I'm going too fast, you can just, pause and slow down. So there's a second way of looking at this. And that is if we flip the units upside down, meaning this, lemon per dollar. So I want the dollar at the bottom. Okay? Again, there's no right way to do this. Meaning this. Okay, meaning if you want to do dollar per lemon, you can do that. If you want to do lemon, if you want to flip the ratio upside down and do lemon per dollar, you can do that too. The only thing is, your proportion is going to look a little different, obviously, right? So, okay, we're going to set this up, all right, and let's see if the answer changes. It shouldn't, right? Because a better deal is the better deal, right? But let's just see for mathematics' sake. Let's see what that looks like. So, instead of putting the money on the top, I'm going to put the lemons on the top, right? So 3 lemons, $2.67. And then X, right, over $1. So in other words, the thinking is go something like this. If I only have a single dollar, how many lemons, or how much of a lemon can I get? All right, understood? So I'm going to flip this upside down. So the lemon is 6, so 6 lemons for $3.99, right? How much is $1? $1 can get me how much? Okay, so let's do the math here. So here I'm going to cross multiply and divide. So we have 3 divided by 2.67, that is 1.123. So 1.12, yeah, I'm just gonna round. Now, the thing is this, right? It's 1.12 what? What am I getting out of this? Yeah, it's lemon. I'm getting 1.12 lemon, or lemons, for every dollar I spend. Okay, I know it's silly to get 1.12 lemons, but we're dealing with math and decimals, right? Now, on the other side, if I do 6 divided by 3.99, that's 1.5. So this is 1.5 what? Yeah. Lemons for every dollar we spend. Is that clear? Right? Now, having said all that, so the question is this, right? Which is the better deal? If you spend $1, right? If you spend $1 here, you're going to get 1.12 lemons. Here, you're going to get 1.15 lemons. Which is the better deal? Yeah, it's still this one. It's this one still. Right? Because why? Yeah, because I'm getting more lemon. I'm getting like, a fraction more of a lemon. So even though most people don't care, this is still the better deal. Okay? All right. Let's do another one. So let's go back to yesterday's example with the shampoo. Okay? So, for instance, here we did per ounce, right? So this is dollars per ounce, right? Because that's what we did yesterday. This is dollars per ounce. So let's set it up really quickly since we did this yesterday. So $3.99 for 13.5 ounces. How much for 1 ounce? All right, this is what we did yesterday. It shouldn't come as a surprise to you. So $6.90 gives you 16 ounces. Okay, all right. So okay, let's see. $3.99 divided by 13.5. So that was 2. So it was 0.29. So 0.3. Right? I don't remember the answer, but all right. So it's 30 cents for 1 ounce. Oh, I know why. Yesterday we did it per dollar. That's why. That's why. Okay, no big deal. All right. So for 1 ounce, so in this case, per ounce, right? For every 1 ounce, 1 ounce per ounce, right? 1 ounce is 30 cents. So if you want to go to the, I don't know, the factory of Johnson and Johnson's, and you say, hey, I want only 1 ounce of your baby shampoo, they're gonna charge you 30 cents. Okay, think of it like that. Now, on this other hand, we have 6.19, right, divided by 16. What's that? That's 0.39. Okay. So it's what does 0.39 means? 39 cents per ounce. So, but if you buy the bigger bottle, it will cost you more. Is that right? It's 39 cents per ounce. So which is the better deal? Yeah, this one. Why? Because it's cheaper. 1 ounce of this stuff is cheaper. It's 9 cents cheaper than the bigger bottle. So we don't want this one. Okay, now let's see. Let's see if this is still true if we flip this around to per dollar. So for every $1, right, how much would I get? So I'll put the dollar at the bottom, right, because per means at the bottom. So let's see, ounce per dollar. Ounce per dollar, like that, right? So let's see, 13.5 ounces is $3.99. How much could I get for $1? On this side, all right, by the way, I think it's good to set up the proportion the way I'm doing first, meaning like you write down the question first. You set up the problem for yourself to do first before you solve it, okay? It's up to you. All right, next side is 16 ounces for $6.19. How much for $1? All right, so let's do the math. So I cross multiply and divide. What is that? 13.5 divided by 3.99. That's 3.38. So this is 3.38 ounces for every dollar. Okay, so $1. So if you imagine going into the grocery store and you say, I only have $1 and I haven't washed my hair in a month. All right, and I need to wash my hair. All right, because people wouldn't stand next to me anymore. And you give them $1 because that's all you got, and you brought a spoon with you. All right, they'll squeeze out exactly 3.38 ounces onto your spoon, and then you walk back out of the store. Okay. All right, now on this side we have 16 divided by 6.19. What is that? 2.58. All right, so it's 2.58 ounces for every dollar, right? Which is the better deal? Just by judging this one. Which one? This one or this one? Left or right? Yeah, the left side, right? Why? Yeah, because you're getting more shampoo versus this one. This one gives you less shampoo. This one gives you more shampoo, and you really need that extra shampoo, right? Because you haven't washed your hair in a month. So you need more shampoo, as much shampoo as you can get for the only dollar that you have. Okay? Now, have you noticed in both cases, I'll put a star, okay? Make you happy. In both, let's put a smiley face actually. In both cases, you will realize that you know how I circle, I mean, yeah, you know how I circle both of these? They're the same thing, right? So this one is the better deal, right? Because no matter how you slice it or squeeze the bottle, all right, pardon my pun, this is still the better deal. Like whether you're judging it by how much money you have to pay, this one's cheaper, right? Or judging by this one, right? You get more shampoo. So this one's cheaper, right? This one gives you, this way of solving it tells you you're gonna get more shampoo. So either way, you're good. You understand? So your answer shouldn't change because you did from per ounce to per dollar. Like that shouldn't change your answer. So why? So what am I trying to say? What am I trying to say is it's up to you. All right, which sometimes might not be a good thing. All right, it's your choice whether you want to do it per ounce, per dollar. Your answer is not going to change. That's what I'm trying to assure you. Okay, ready for some practice? Okay, so let's look at an example. Okay, I think that's after this. That's it for today. Cause yeah, it's kind of long. I want to give you one more question, but what should we do? All right, let's do this. Okay, all right. So here, you look at two advertisements for pizza. All right, and there's one place. All right, I'm gonna label it Howdy's. Howdy's Pizza, and the other one's called Royal. So let's use blue then. All right, so set it up for me, okay? All right, now for this one, 15 pieces for 195, right? So, and then this one, 10 large pieces for 120. Now, I got a question for you. What are the two ways we could set this up? Okay, and then we'll set it up. All right, what do you think? So for this one, what are the units? Like what are we looking at here? Yeah, pieces for dollars, right? Pieces for money. So okay, why don't we do pizza at the bottom, right? Let's see how much one piece is gonna cost. So we put dollar on the top. And here, we're gonna flip this upside down. We're gonna do pizza on the top and put dollar at the bottom. All right? Because we want to see how much $1, how much pizza can $1 buy me. All right? So we'll do the same here. I'm just gonna copy dollars to pizza, and then pizza to dollar. Okay, so far so good. Now, here for $195, for $195, right? Money. I get 15 pieces. How much for one pizza? On the other hand, for Royal Pizza, it's down here. For $120, I get 10 pieces. So how much is one pizza? Okay, so far so good. Okay, now here I'm gonna cross multiply and divide. So like this, right? 195 divided by 15. What is that? 13. Okay, so what's 13? What? Yeah, $13, right? Because that's up here. $13 per pizza. Okay, must not be in New York. So, and then the other one is this one. 120 divided by 10. I already know the answer is like 12. Right, it's $12 for an entire pie. So let me ask you, all right? By the way, again, I want to also emphasize, like, if you're doing this in class, you don't have to do both ways for every question. Like, that's not the point. The point I'm trying to make is it's your choice whether you want to go with the option, the first option up here, or the second option at the bottom for either one. Okay. Now, which one's the better deal? Yeah, it's Royal, right? Because why? It's cheaper. Right? It's $12, $1 less per pizza. Okay, so you could take that dollar and, I don't know, buy more shampoo. Now, on the other hand, all right, let's solve it in a different way. What if it's pizza per dollar? So, meaning, what if it's 15 pizzas for $1.90? I mean, $195. Right? How much is $1 gonna get me? And on the other hand, if this is what? If this is 10 pieces that cost me $120, how much is $1 gonna buy me? Okay, I know I'm going a little fast, but I'm also worried I'm gonna run out of time. So, all right, so if 15 divided by 195, this is gonna be weird. 0.076, so 0.08. What does that mean? 0.08. 0.08 what? Yeah. Pizza, pizza for $1. So $1 buys you like 0.08 of a pizza. I know, it's silly. We're gonna talk about that in a second. So this is 10 divided by 120. That's 0.083. Oh my god, no. What was this? This was actually, hold on. So what here's my problem. The answers look the same. That's why I'm like saying that. So okay, we need more decibels. Okay, so the last one was 0.0769. Okay. This one was 0.08333, so on and so on. Repeating. I'll put a bar up here. Okay? Which one's the better deal? Might be harder for you to see. Yeah, still this one. Why? You're getting a little more pizza than this one. This one gives you a little more pizza. Now, have you noticed both cases? Still the better deal. Okay? All right, I think I gotta stop here. So if you're still struggling a little bit, don't worry. Tomorrow I'm gonna give you more examples. Okay? All right? Okay, all right. So I'm gonna stop here. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you tomorrow for Wednesday. Okay, bye now.
OMG, that was so good.